Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you something really cool. So basically, if you go to a phone shop or you go online or whatever, you see these days phones all come with brilliant cameras. Must admit, fantastic cameras. I remember my first camera phone, it had 0.3 megapixels. Wow, amazing. So the thing is, as you can see, like over here, Samsung S10 Plus, 1, 2, 3 cameras. You go to Hawaii, 3 cameras. So what about iPhone? So this is iPhone 7 Plus, and 2 cameras already. They started all this fuss about who has more cameras, and to be fair, it's actually quite cool. So then they got to one point, you know what, iPhone X or iPhone 10, what shall we do? So basically they grabbed the camera and they just flipped it like so, and there you go. Cool. So what's happening now? Now we have iPhone X, XR, XS, etc, etc. What's happening with iPhone 11? So I think that they might do something like this. So Command Control J, and I'm just going to, probably they'll add another one here, and you know what, it looks alright. So probably they might even decide to go, you know what, let's do one on the bottom and let's flip it around. So flip vertical, and you know, why not go the extra mile and go and add another one? So my views for the new iPhone, it's either something like this or something like this, side by side, side by side, side by side. I know this is just for a bit of fun, you know. Let's see what Apple will bring us in the future. Will it be something like this? Will they have a massive camera here in the middle? Probably, you know, you can actually put your own DSLR lenses attached to it. We'll never know. Only the future will tell. This was just for a bit of fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Catch you guys later. Bye.